Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Honor Play 7 and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. First we need to lock the screen on our phone. To do it, press the power button. Then we need to find the SIM card and SD card tray. On this device it's located on the left side right here. Let's place our phone like this so you can see it. Here we have SIM card and SD card tray. To open it we need some kind of pin. For example, paper clip or some kind of pin tool like this that usually comes with your phone. We need to insert this pin into this small hole on the tray, like this, and then we need to push it in like that. The tray will pop out. We can take it out now. Let's pick up our tray. Here we have it. We have two SIM card slots and SD card slot. To put the SIM card on it, simply take your Nano size SIM card and place it on a tray like this. It only fits one way, so don't worry, you won't mistake it. And SD card works similarly. You just place it on a tray like that. Be careful while inserting the tray into your phone because the cards tend to fall off. Okay. Let's place them back on. And now let's insert the tray into our phone. To do it, I'm gonna lay my phone flat, so it's gonna be easier for me to insert the tray. Give me a few seconds because the card fell off again. Let me place it back on the tray. And after you place it on the tray and you want to insert the tray, simply insert it. Remember that the side with the text on the SIM card and SD card should be facing the screen. And then slowly slide it in till the end, like this. Let's unlock the screen on our phone. And as you can see, the SIM card is working because we need to restart our phone. And we had the notification before that the SD card is working as well. And that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.